week, as you can tell by the title. Right now, I haven't dressed yet, but I'm gonna eat some of these strawberries. It looks so good, right? Okay, so today I'm gonna get sushi for lunch with my friends. So what I'm wearing today, I kind of already planned it out. Okay, so for the top, this is what I'm gonna be wearing, and then I'm gonna wear this jacket. It's kind of warmish outside, not too cold. But I have this jacket, and I'm gonna have a thicker jacket just in case it gets colder at night. And then for the bottoms, I have this really long maxi skirt. And then I'm wearing this underneath because it's gonna be cold. This I got from Ross. Don't think it's like I think it's just a random brand. Yeah. And then I got this from Yes Style. I got this like a while before I came here. And then this BB maxi skirt is my mom's old skirt. And then I got this from Taobao. It's fleece lined, so it's really warm. And then for my bag, I have this Louis Vuitton bag that I'm really wearing. It's kind of a theme here, like a beige and stuff. Let's see if we can do a transition. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the fit. It's so cute. It's so white though, like so beige. But yeah. Okay, I don't actually have to go yet. I just wanted to show the outfit. But this is what it looks like. For accessories, I was thinking gold to match like the kind of like beige tone. I'm thinking this cute flower ring. And for the necklace, it's either this, that's really cute, or this one. Oh, I don't know. This one gives like a cute pop of color. But also, this one's like really cute too. I don't know. Okay, so I decided on this one only because I remembered that my shoes have a tiny bit of green in it and it would like kind of go along with it. So like as you can see here, like the green right there, perfect. Okay, so I brought a jacket just in case it gets cold, but you can see the full outfit in this mirror. Yay. What just something terrifying just happened to us. We got called a chong, which is
The lady asked us, what species are they?
I think something. Look what I just won. Oh, look at you. You look so cute. So being foreigners here,
So
Asian.
instead of calling us a Chongwu, she was like, "Oh, 你好像中国人." I was like, "哈哈，对，我的妈妈是菲律宾人."
She believed I was American. She was like, okay.
And I said I was American. She was like, "Are you mixed?"
They constantly freestyle badly. But here's the thing.
My name.
Today is Monday. I almost said Tuesday. I have all my classes today. It's gonna be a long day. So, but I'm wearing this again from Ross. This I thrifted, but I think it's and something. I forgot the name exactly, but yeah. And then this again is from Ross. These pants though are from H&M, and this necklace is from my grandma, and these earrings are from Taobao, which were in my first Taobao haul. I'm thinking of doing another one, but I have to have enough room in my wardrobe because right now it's kind of full and I don't need any more clothes. Just a better view of my outfit. And the bag I'll be wearing is my tote bag. Today, Subin is on it. So today I packed a lunch. It's in this cute Yakult container. And I have myself a little Yakult too. Okay, so tomorrow I'm getting my passport renewed and I'm really nervous. I don't know why. I should have everything fingers crossed. I'm praying everything goes smoothly, even though it's gonna rain tomorrow. I made some steak, vegetables, and rice for dinner. And I'm still doing my Chinese homework. It's due tomorrow. But I have to sleep early because I don't want to be tired for my appointment. So I just finished my appointment, and oh my god, that was a rush. I was able to get there.
What the dog doing?
I didn't have enough time to do a OOTD, but I'll do a quick one once I get to my dorm, but this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so my OOTD, I got these pants from Taobao. This jacket is a Christmas present, but it's like the brand Kickers. Like some I don't know what the skater brand or something. And then this Michael Kors top that I got from Ross for like $12. Hello, so for today's outfit, this is just a black tank top that I have underneath. And this like mesh thing, it's Ferrari. It says it on the back. I can't really show you, but this I thrifted back home, and these pants are from H&M. And then since it's cold, I have a jacket that I got on Taobao. You saw it in my Taobao haul if you watched it. But yeah, this is what the fit looks like today.
Oh, you want me to? Hi. She wants me to vlog. Can't wait.
Okay, so it's the afternoon right now. So this is my OOTD today. It's just these gray kind of pants, this top, and then my leather jacket. So this leather jacket's actually my grandpa's. This is, he's not alive by the way. This is from H&M. And then I got this from like Nordstrom Rack, so I don't really know. Let me see the brand though. And the brand is Open Edit. It's extra small, but it's actually not, like I swear. I'm definitely not an extra small, but it fits, so. This is the outfit. Let me see with the jacket. The only reason why I want this jacket is because it's cold outside. This is it. Okay, sorry I wasn't able to talk that much. I didn't have time to show my OOTD today because I was too tired. But I'm just wearing this shirt, Vans hoodie. Pants are from Ross again. This top is actually from Ross. But I'm going to karaoke, so I'm gonna change my outfit so I can actually do an OOTD. Just not really. So for the top, I was thinking this. It's pretty cold, so I'm gonna wear a jacket, but I'm not sure which jacket yet. Okay, for the jacket, I decided to do this. Can't go wrong. It's also really cold, so. And then these pants, you've definitely seen before. They're H&M. Yeah.
Six hours fine. It's very late right now, so I gotta be quiet. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My last outfit is just this.
Okay, so that's the end of my what I wear in a week. Today's Saturday, and technically the what I wear in a week is supposed to go on still, but that's the one that I just showed you is the only time I'm going out today. So for the rest of the day, this is just a bit. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, let me know or something. I don't know. Yeah. See you guys in the next one.